Punta sa mga sinihan or magka-oral or bukas, holiday. Ayan, kung gusto nyo magpalamig sa napakainit na Maynila, pwede po kayong manood ng Elevator Now Show. And for my last song, love song ulit. Love song tayo today. Sana magustuhan niyo. Music please. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Paula Abellino! Thank you so much, Paula. My goodness, I heard that you were also a film producer at this point. Napaka-talented naman po ninyo. Film producer na nga, actor pa, musician pa, and you know what? Hindi lang yun. Pinakilig mo kami lahat. Tama ba? Pick up citizens! My goodness. Sir Paolo, before you do bid adieu to everybody, what would you like to say to our Pick Up citizens?
Well, first, for Pick Up Citizens, I'm very excited that there's another, I don't know if you call it a ride-hailing app. So I'm very excited there's another one. There's more options for us Filipinos, and this is proudly Filipino. So para sa akin yun yung biggest selling point, and I would always support anything proudly made here, anything that supports our country and our fellow, and anything that makes it convenient for my fellow Filipinos.
Nako, iba talagang kilig na dinadala mo dito. Not only that, makabayan ka pa, and I love that. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, your one and only Paolo Abellino. Now, Paolo, if it's not too much to ask, could our CEO and CFO have a quick photo op with you? Of course, once again, Sir Dave, Miss Aramina. Our CEO and CFO for the meantime. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to use our official hashtags. That's hashtag #PeakUp. And also hashtag will get you there, because we do promise that 5-star service that's truly, proudly Filipino.
Sir, meron pa po.
And now, of course, we'd like to call in the very beautiful one, Miss Catherine Chua, kindly join us as well. Miss Aramina, there we go. Again, to everybody else, feel free to take photos. Make this a trending event. Our hashtags are hashtag #PeakUp and hashtag will get you there. There. Proudly a Filipino brand catering to Filipinos and perhaps very soon internationally. But the best part is marami pong trabaho ang magbibigay din po ng Pick Up para sa ating audience here for today. Sa mga gusto po mag-apply, by the way, pwede na po ngayon sa ating actual event. Kung interesado po kayo,